Hello everyone. My name is Sarah Rasnick if you don't know me, and I just wanted to make a quick video of how to use your diffusers and how to clean them if you just got your starter kit or if you haven't broken these babies out. I don't know why, because these are the best alternative that you can have to any kind of fragrance other than natural essential oils in your home, to clean the air, to detox, to make it just smell amazing, and for their benefits as well. So this is Young Living's Desert Mist Diffuser. This is my favorite diffuser. Well, now it's the Lantern, to be honest. They just came out with a Lantern diffuser. And this one is super easy to use. This can come in the starter kit. And all you do is, to start it, you take off this decorative lid, and then you take this piece off, and you can see there is a fill line up to here. So you will fill that with filtered water, and then you will take your oil of choice and just put about 3 to 6 drops of oil in it, and you can have fun with it, blend a bunch of different oils, or there's just Google Young Living essential oil diffuser blends, and it comes up with all kinds of great stuff. If you just have your starter kit, you can do that as well, and just experiment. Some of my favorite are lemon, lavender, and peppermint for like your seasonal blend, seasonal discomfort blend. Raven in the diffuser is awesome. Lavender and frankincense at night, or just even one of the two of those, are awesome. Just have fun with it. And so you fill it up, put your drops in, and then this one on the Desert Mist has like a little notch. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but there is a little notch there, and then there's a half moon shape on the actual diffuser that you line up. You put it on, you put this decorative sleeve on, and then there are 2 buttons that you will see here. One is, if you're looking at it straight on, that would be the left one. It is the power button. So if you hit it once, it will go for about 5 hours. I'll just keep going, and it'll just stay on for about 5 hours until the liquid is gone, and the oil. And then if you hit it twice, it goes intermittently. It turns on and shuts off, turns on and shuts off for about 8 hours. And if you hit it 3 times, it goes intermittently for about 10 hours. So, and then this other button, if you just keep hitting it, it has different light settings, one of which is like a candle flicker light setting, and all the way to off. So if you don't want if you have it in your room at night and you want it to be dark, you can turn the light off completely. So this one, like I said, is my favorite one. And this was actually my diffuser from 3 years ago when I got started with Young Living. This is the Dewdrop Diffuser. This is a great one. I really like it for travel because it's a little bit smaller and it's just super simple. And so this one again has like a decorative thing on top. You take it off, you take this piece off again. It does not have the notch like the other one does, so this doesn't matter where you put it on. And this one, you fill up, you have a little red dot right here. So you fill it up with filtered water to this little red dot right here. And you put your drops of oil in just like you did the other one. And you put this on top. Don't forget this piece. I've done that before and it spills everywhere. And then my husband likes to remind me that you line up the Young Living logo with the button here, and if you turn it on once, if you hit it once, it turns it on with a blue light on this one, and it goes continuously for about 4 hours, and then it will have some of the liquid left, so you can, after it shuts off on its own, turn it on, hit the button again, and it will go again until the liquid is completely gone. And then you can hit it twice and it will keep diffusing and shut off the light. So, and then also to clean these guys, it is suggested to clean them after changing different oils. Like say if you've diffused peppermint for a while and then you change your mind and you want to diffuse lavender, it is recommended to clean the diffuser between different oils. And so it's really easy. You in your starter kit, you now get a sample of Thieves Household Cleaner that literally cleans everything in your house. The sample that you get is just a little sachet, but actually that sachet is good for about 2 or 3 of this size spray bottle. And so all you would do, like if you have the bottle, you just take off the cap and pour a cap full. And this bottle is about 16 ounces, so it's 1 capful per 8 ounce. So this bottle is about 2 capfuls of the Thieves Cleaner, or about half of your sachet in your starter kit, and put it in a 16-ounce spray bottle. And then just fill it up with filtered water, or I use distilled water because I just know that that is going to be great for glass as well, and will not and if you have hard water, it will not leave streaks or anything. So what I do is I just take my spray bottle and spray a few sprays inside here, and then I get a lintless cloth and just wipe out the inside. And this little thing right here, I'll just like put my finger in it and press down a little bit and wipe it out really good, and then get the top, wipe it out really good, and done. So that's it. Super, super simple. So if you wanted to, you could keep these 2 things nearby your diffuser or diffusers. I have one in almost every room of my house, and eventually I will have one in every room of my house. So that is the 2 diffusers. Hope that helps.